Welcome to the first in the series of FJ's Physics Do This at Home. So everyone's talking about the NHS at the moment, and I've seen some fantastic rainbows, posters and rainbow drawings and things like that on the pavement, though a few of them seem to have got the colours a bit mixed up. So what I thought we'd do today is we'd make a rainbow in the garden. So you only need a couple of things to do this experiment. You need a hose pipe with some water, and you need bright sun in the sky, and perhaps just a little bit of a knowledge of angles. So I've got the hose going. Let's see if we can make a rainbow. So here we go. And there you go. You should be able to see that really clearly. It's quite useful having the car in the background because it's a dark background and it shows the rainbow. If you want to know a little bit about the angle, always have the sun directly behind you and imagine a sun ray coming through your head and going into the ground in front of you. Then look up approximately 40 degrees from there and you'll see the rainbow. Try and remember which colour's on the top of the rainbow and which is at the bottom. And there's some other things you can see in rainbows as well. You can see some white and dark areas. But the main thing is, see if you can make your own rainbows at home.